Tired of losing leads in messy spreadsheets? I hear ya. It's so easy for opportunities to fall through the cracks when you're juggling emails and separate documents. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to use Pipedrive CRM to centralize everything, your contacts, your tasks, and your sales pipeline, so you can actually focus on closing deals. So here's the plan. We're going to start with the basics, getting signed in and oriented. Then I'll walk you through the main sections, like contacts, deals, and insights. And finally, we'll look at how to customize your workspace and set up automations to save you time. Let's dive in. All right, the first thing you need to do is open up Pipedrive in your browser. I usually just head to the website. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in with your account credentials. This might take a few seconds to load as it sets up your personal workspace. Once you're in, you'll likely see the Setup Guide page. This is Pipedrive's way of helping you get started, and it's actually really useful, so don't close it.
Before we get into the setup tasks, let's look at the big picture. Take a look at the left sidebar navigation menu. This is your command center. You've got icons for contacts, activities, deals, leads, insights, and the sales inbox. Get familiar with this layout because you'll be bouncing between these sections all day. Now let's click on Contacts. This is where you manage all your people and organizations. Think of it as your digital Rolodex, but way smarter. Next, click on Activities. This is your calendar for tasks, calls, and meetings. I love using this to make sure I never forget a follow-up. Moving on, click on Deals. This is the heart of Pipedrive. Here, you can manage every sales opportunity from the very first conversation to the signed contract. Then, check out Leads. This section is specifically for tracking potential customers that haven't become a full deal yet. It's great for keeping your early-stage prospects organized. Let's hop over to Insights. Now, this is where you start to see the payoff of all your data entry. You can view reports and performance data about your sales funnel. I find this incredibly valuable for spotting trends. And finally, click the Sales Inbox. This connects to your email, so you can manage all your sales-related communications without leaving Pipedrive. Let's head back to the setup guide. See those onboarding tasks? They're designed to get your workspace populated quickly. Let's start with the first big one. Click Add a Contact. A form will pop up. Fill in the person's name, their email, and their phone number. I always add a note about how I met them. It makes the next conversation much more personal. Click Save. Next, let's schedule an activity. This could be a call or a meeting. Click the button, pick a date and time, and link it to the contact you just created. This is how you make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Now, let's add a deal. This is the fun part. Click the button, give the deal a name, like the product you're selling, and link it to your contact. Set a value for the deal and select a stage in your pipeline, like first contact or negotiation. Save that. As you complete these tasks, you'll notice your progress bar in the setup guide goes up. It's a satisfying little dopamine hit that keeps you motivated. Now, let's open Tools and Apps. You can find this in your Profile menu in the bottom left. This opens up a world of possibility. I want you to explore automations and integrations. Automations let you set up rules, like automatically sending a follow-up email when a deal moves to a new stage. Integrations let you connect Pipedrive to your calendar, your email, or even other business tools. In my experience, setting up just one good automation saves hours every week. Finally, let's talk about customization. You can click on your profile settings to customize your CRM workspace. You can add custom fields to your contacts or change the stages in your sales pipeline to match your exact sales process. Make it work for you, not the other way around. So now that you're set up, you can continue managing everything from the main dashboard. Click on Contacts to review your people, click on Activities to see your schedule, check out Deals to see your pipeline, and glance at Leads and Insights to keep your finger on the pulse of your business. Pipedrive gives you one central place to manage contacts, track leads, organize your sales activities, monitor your deals, and even automate your workflows. It turns a chaotic, scattered process into a smooth, predictable engine that helps you grow. Thanks for hanging out with me, and happy selling.